I decided to start early because the colors were so gorgeous that I just felt like I had to start. And then just then, this whole little flock of geese decides to fly by, which, was nice. So I had to wait for them to go by and let you listen to them first. So this week's topic is about the importance of the pause. And man, this is a tough one for me. This is one that I really, really struggle with. And, last week I was on vacation, and I apologize I did not do a video last week, but I was not in a place where I could get good internet access. And vacations are hard for me because I'm a bit of a workaholic, and I also worry about all the people who are doing my responsibilities while I'm gone. So I think they're going to fly over again, but that's fine. It's cool. And by the way, I am here. I'm right here. I'm down here by the rocks because if I stick my head up too high, it actually ruins the colors of the sunrise. So I'm staying down here in the dark sections, but I'm here. So, but the pause is so important because it lets you take time to reflect. And they're really hard to do. I mean, a lot of people, it's easy for people to take vacations, most normal people. But the regular pause is hard. I hear all the time how hard it is to meditate. And it's hard for me too, and I don't do it very often. But that's what meditation is too. It's a time to sit back and kind of pause, reflect, take a deep introspective look at yourself, and just take a deep breath to prepare yourself for what's ahead. Maybe other people have other reasons to meditate, but for me, that's what it is. And it's why I really first started doing these videos, was to learn how to pause. Because I speak in front of business groups, and I teach training and leadership, and when I was doing those talks, I talk really fast, and I don't take a breath, and I don't pause. And I thought, wow, I really need to practice this. And so I said, I can do this in front of a live audience each week if I just do a video. And so I really originally started these because I needed to practice talking slower and being comfortable with that empty space, that space that just sits there quietly. And that's hard. As somebody who's speaking, you want to fill the space. And I think we try to fill the space in every aspect of our life. And so taking that pause to really reflect is important. It's what a prayer is before a meal. It's taking time to reflect and give thanks and gratitude for what you're about to eat. Sometimes it's just important to just sit and look at the sunrise. Sitting here this morning is a pause. It's saying, hey, before I start my day, let me sit back and look at the sunrise and appreciate what's I had yesterday and appreciate what I might have for today, and take that moment to pause. So a pause is so important and so difficult for some of us. I think some of you have it better than others. You do it a little bit better. Maybe you do. I don't know. I'd love to know how you pause and how successful you are at it. But for me, it's a really hard thing to do. So I appreciate that each of you join me each Tuesday, and I want to say you kind of force my pause. And you kind of force me to kind of say, all right, take a moment and reflect and think and appreciate this beautiful sunrise and the geese flying over and the birds singing. Because sometimes life gets overwhelming, and it's hard to sometimes to take a moment to reflect and take the gratitude portion of your life and think about the things that are going right. That's important, because there's always going to be something that doesn't go right. But the other side of it is there's always something that's going to go right, that is going to go right. And so you need to take time to think about that to help counteract that other things. Got a boat coming by. Going out crabbing. Crabbing season has started. So some of the times when I'm out here, you're going to see somebody out there trot lining, going back and forth. And maybe I'll do a live video of out there doing trot lining one day so you guys can see what that's like for people who have not experienced that. So, here comes the sun. There's something to be excited about. It's an exciting thing, even though it comes up every day. How exciting is it that it comes up and that it's beautiful for us in a different way every single day? That it's something unique and special, just like each one of our days. They're each unique and special. All right. Well, thanks, guys. Thanks for being a part of my morning. I'm going to let you guys watch the sunrise, listen to the birds. Wherever you are, take a deep breath, take a pause, take a moment to reflect and find some gratitude for the things in your life. But I'm grateful for you. Thank you. There she is. Every week, every day, she comes up and puts on a beautiful show for us. Good morning, everybody. I hope you have a great day. Make it a good one. And I'll see you next Tuesday. Talk to you soon. Thanks.